Hello! On time to the second. Look at that. I just gotta fix stupid Twitch. Mobile dashboard being annoying. As always. There we go. Welcome everyone. We've got who we got? We've got Jackster, we've got Cider, we've got John, we've got Far Corner, we've got Banana. Banana Ream. How are we all doing? Are we all well? Carberra, the bot is already online by the way, and it didn't error this time, so I think it might actually be working properly. And welcome Nice One to stream as well, Nico One. And Person 192 to the stream too. Welcome both of you. Gotta sort my headphones out, then I'll change the scene. Ooh, yeah. I only have my earphones in for this, not my actual studio headphones, because it's easier so I can listen in one ear rather than two. Oh, I've also got to turn the volume down, haven't I? I've also got to change the volume source. I don't. Cool. Right. Turn it down before someone follows me and scares the crap out of me. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the stream summary from last time, because it's nuts. It's legit nuts. So if I go to this one, May 29th, and then go to the tutorial stream, look at this! Hello, by the way. Look at this! Look at these numbers. People really like Hikari. Apparently. I'm so happy the stream did so well. Yeah, we hit a new record for the max viewers, 23. Average unique views, 125. I'm pretty sure most of these are new records. So that's crazy. So thanks everyone for that. We'll see if this one, I guess, does as well. But there's quite a few people here already, and my microphone is really annoying me. You know what? We're just going to move that out of the way. That's all well and good. While using Hikari, it's basically it's Discord.py but better, basically, if you want the short answer to that. We are actually going to need Discord open, aren't we? I don't know why I moved that out of the way. We are going to need it in this server instead, because this is our testing server. Come to think of it, let me put the... Oh, I didn't pop out the chat. Oh no! I've got to go do that. Twitch channel. Yeah, I would like to go to the Twitch channel, please, Firefox. That would be good, thank you. Yeah, it's a lot faster. That is the thing. Oh no, let's pause that quickly before stuff goes really badly wrong. That's the invite for the test server. Feel free to join it if you want to. I'm going to pop that over there just so I have access to it. Ba-de-ba-de-ba. Got people already in. Nice. You cute jacks. That's turn my tablet brightness up even more so I can actually see it. So. I've got the testing repo already set up and ready to go. Let's not whack the microphone. So I kind of made a bit of a plan for the first few episodes. At least. I'm going to turn my screen brightness up again. Because it's true, that's why. Why else would I be saying it? I wouldn't be saying it if it wasn't factually accurate. I turn up to like 12, maybe no, 10, 12. It's very bright outside. This screen is not great under bright conditions. So I've already made a bit of a plan for the tutorials and stuff. So we have... you know, the introduction, then you have the bot dashboard tutorial, because I think that's a good place to put in there. And then you have the installations and then you have setup, and then it ends on adding commands at the moment. I haven't thought about what to put on after. But that much is why we're doing the stream, so we can work out. And I've got some case studies here, so if anyone has any like ideas about what they want me to do, then do let me know. and I'll put that in here, and then we'll see what happens. Anything that ends up in there isn't guaranteed to happen, by the way. It's just kind of a note for it. So yeah, this is the bot we have. I've renamed the library Hikari testing, so if I do Control KI, it actually sorts it properly. Tag system and the custom prefix. That could work. Tag system, and then custom prefix. We'll probably we'll start with requests for the case studies, not for these because I need to work out what to actually do with these. Because essentially what's going to happen is that a numbered episodes are going to be like required. So they're going to be actually teaching you the API, and then case studies are going to be logic on top of it. So you can watch as many case studies as you want, but in theory you should watch all of the numbered episodes before you attempt any of the case studies, is kind of the idea. Welcome Komiko, by the way, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Tutorial going to be single server. I think it will be multi-server. I think I've kind of found a way to get some degree of like copy protection. Just aligning my thing. But I have to see. It should be possible. Private voice channels. I'll put that in as a question mark. I don't really know how much I'm gonna like bother with like really specific stuff. Like I've already kind of decided that like well, actually I kind of want to do a mod mail system, but it's going to be a simple one. And if I do a ticket system, which I may or may not do, I really don't know, it's going to be simple as well. Now, none of these are going to be particularly complicated, because I want like people to do their own stuff. But music not actually supported in Hikari at the moment, so I would probably say if you started the bot yesterday, I think it's probably worth transfer, unless you want to do music stuff. If you want to do music stuff, you're going to have to stick with Discord.py. As far as I can tell, it's mostly fine. I think all the main stuff is there. Just voice stuff isn't yet. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we have our bot. And one thing I actually didn't do on this was I was gonna do a wait and have like a thing. So essentially kind of have a sort of partially single server thing. Like have a multi-server setup, but also have like a home guild as such. ID. And basically this will allow, this is kind of like a central hub, so you could set this to your bot support server, for example. And I'm not gonna bother doing it in like a .env config like the Carberra, and that is. So we have this copy ID, yep, and this copy ID. Yeah, God, there's so many people in here now. Wow, goodness. Oh, that's the same, yeah. Music in some further future. Music is planned. I just don't know when it's coming, unfortunately. When I make a bot using Hikari, but a music bot using Discord.py. I don't know. It's a simple answer. .env tutorial. That'll probably be separate. What I'm probably gonna do maybe is do something weird with that. I don't know. Hey Dev, how you doing? Yeah, that check did actually work in the end. So hydrate. Bottoms up. There we go. Good old water. That's warm. That's warm water. Wow. So we've got self.standardout channel equals await. Is it await? I don't know. No, it'd be self dot. No, it wouldn't be. It'd be yeah. Okay. So you've got self.home guild equals self.get guild home guild ID, and then self.home guild dot get channel standard out channel ID, and this will basically just give you like some logging capabilities. What if the guild isn't? Well, it's in on started, so it should be cached by that point. Await self.standardout. Shit, unless, would it be better to use the snowflake for the guild instead? To be fair, I have no idea what get channel even returns. I could try and bring up the database to be there at some point. I'm not getting an autocomplete, which is kind of slightly worrying. I guess we'll see if it works the same. No. There we go. We'll just see if it works the same. Dot, is it send? I'm pretty sure it's going to be send for this if you're just sending it from a channel. Well, we'll try it first and we'll see. Now online. Testing version now online, and we'll see if that works, I suppose. So Python launch launcher.py. Bot has no attribute get guild. Okay, so that is kind of our first issue. Finally got the stream working. Nice. Okay, so we're going immediately into the docs then. Hikari, I really gotta like start bookmarking this stuff. It's so difficult to find anything. There we go. I think that's right. Is it bot.cache.getGuild? Let me see. Interesting way of doing it. Self.cache, yeah. And then self.home guilds. Yeah, I probably should. Let me put it in development. Hang on, I'm just gonna change this to Discord bots. Change this to d.py docs. No, come on. There you go, and then Hikari docs. Cool. So that's in there now. So where is? Oh, because it's light bulb. I've got to do the light bulb stuff as well. Hurry. Pull that bot. Where's the import? Oh, is that part of the Hikari stuff? Bot app. So I mean, what are the actual methods in here? Variable the properties, cache, the cache component for the object. Can't be latency, intent is alive. I kind of want to see what's actually here. Join, listen, run, start, stream, subscribe, unsubscribe, update presence. Oh, we got the wait for there, okay. Print the banner and that's it, okay, fair enough. So what's in the, what's in the cache? Oh, sounds cache, there we go. Get available guilds. So does get guild return the snowflake? Oh, it does. Snowflake-ish. Oh, resembles a snowflake. Oh, so it could be an int or a snowflake. Okay, so it does return the snowflake itself, so you don't need to do... Yeah, so that's already done with that. And then, like a guild, I'm presuming. Snowflake, class snowflake. Oh yeah. I'm presuming this has like a get... Oh, it doesn't. Returns the object. Well, according to the docs, it returns a snowflake-ish thing. Wait, where was it? I said, yeah, get guilds, and then it returns. Oh, a gateway guild. Oh, I was looking at the wrong bit. Sorry, I'm dumb. Whoa, Jesus! Look at this constructor. Okay, so the guild actually has a few extra things. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you, Person192, for the follow. I do appreciate it. Rules channel ID. Format icon, format slash. Get channel, there we go. I like how everything's alphabetized in the docs. It's a lot better than Discord.py, it's just randomly flung all over the place. So this returns a guild channel. Okay. And I'm presuming this guild channel then has a send. Or not. Oh, what about a guild text channel? Probably. Then it is history. Dot send. Okay. Cool. How we work that out? So that should work then. Okay, we're learning. We're learning. Oh, it didn't work. Guild voice channel. So what did I copy the wrong ID? I'm presuming I copied the wrong ID. I did. How did I do that? Okay, fine, whatever. There we go. Wow, that's fast. Jeez, it just... Even with this sending the message, it loads in like... And that's without any optimizations. If I put in... I keep forgetting about these optimizations. If I put in that... Yeah. But it's still the same, I'm presuming that's long form. That is quick. Goodness. That is very quick. So I've already won guilds. It's not 997 sessions. I love it. I like how it tells you how many you have left. I like how Discord is really kind of fine with it. That's cool. Okay. Does have a set optimization is more for long run, not start. Yeah, especially when deserializing objects. That's fair. That's fair. Oh yeah, we were going to update the library, weren't we? Pip install -u-r requirements.txt. Because I've got everything in there. There you go. So I've got in the requirements.txt is I've got the actual repo, and then I've manually added all of the speed ups libraries as well. Then put a Hikari light bulb in there, and then put UV loop in there, and a scheduler as well. You don't need the database just yet, but one bug fix where? UV loop just, I think it's, if I remember correctly, it like speeds up the internal like async loop. I think it makes it like a better one, but it only works on Linux. I tried to put speed ups here, and then it didn't work, and then I couldn't be asked. I just put everything in manually. I couldn't be asked to do anything proper. No, that didn't work when I tried it. Unless I did it wrong. Oh, really? Ah, I see. Egg equals Hikari speed ups. Like that. And get rid of these three. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah, so it does. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, that is the way to do it. Cool. That's good, isn't it? That makes that a bit nicer. And then you have your shutting down, and then await self dot stand out the channel that sends testing v whatever is shutting down, and then version, and we'll see if that works. Oh, I've just reinstalled everything again. Oh well, it's fine. There you go. My computer fan is not happy. Yeah, legit. And then well, if I just do, did I even do the shutdown command? I think I did. Let's have a look. I'm presuming then this is out of the loop because this didn't fire. So I'm guessing at this point it's like too late to do it. Which is kind of weird. What if I do it before the... I might have to do it in the close. That should work, really? Did I forget? Oh, the bank of banana. Yeah, I did actually. It's 100 million. My god. While you're looking that up, I'm gonna have a look at what we did. So we did the admin stuff. So that's just the shutdown. Might include load and reload, maybe. We probably should do like a reload command, a reload cog, to be honest. But maybe we'll do that next. I don't know. And we have the error handler, which is pretty much, it's very simple, but I'll just leave it at that, I think. The fun, we have the hello and dice, and then the meta, which is probably what we're going to be spending most of today doing. More than likely. I kind of want to do with these. So you have your adding commands, then I don't really know how do you do a comment in this? Oh, someone changed the code theme. Alright, I'll give that a shot. What's a comment in? I suppose Markdown doesn't have comments, does it? Okay, so other episode. I'm just gonna put like an other episodes thing in here, and then what is it? Oh goodness. Quinn. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get the thing. It's just a link for that, I think. Material theme. Oh god, launch VS codes open, quick open. Okay, Control P. And then put that in. Copy buttons just don't work. Why? Is that installing it? Material theme was updated. Maybe later. Okay, so now I've got to change my theme to... Oh, this one? Wait, which one? What's it called? Oh god! Oh Jesus. Oh, I'm murdering people now. Pentlight high contrast. Is that even here? That hasn't worked. Why has that not worked? Feels I'm pretty sure it's material theme Pentlight. high contrast. God, that's faded. It's quite nice though, but it's really weirdly faded out. This is not what I would expect from a high contrast theme, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. I do like the terminal in this being a different color though. That is something I do like. So other episodes, what's it going to be? So you'd have an episode. So you got the introduction. You got the created bot account. You got recorded installs, and then you got adding commands. What else bloody is there to do? I don't even know. You more or less covered everything in the API at that point. Because intents are going to be here. I'm not sure. Let's have a look at Carberra, see what that's got. So, yeah, sure, why not? Carberra. Oh, it's going to need a database. Oh, but that's already in there, isn't it? Yeah, it's here. I might need utils. Oh, converters? I don't know if there is a converter interface. Optional setup. It's more like how to set up a GitHub repo, how to get your linter going. Stuff that you don't... Stuff that is good to have, but not needed for the series. Really. So most of this... It's going to be more case studies than anything, I think. There's a command process and an error hand. Oh, errors! I've got to do something on errors. Error handling. And then... Oh, moderation stuff. Yeah, okay. That's good. That's going to be covered in the actual series because that's part of the API. All that stuff. So that's all like changing nicknames and all that jazz. That's probably going to be multiple episodes. Oh yeah, role reactions and stuff for reaction events. I guess we just cover like many different events, I suppose. Like other events, so like on reaction, ads, etc. What's in this MISC? Oh, that's just links and stuff. We don't need that. What's actually in this mod? Oh, we're getting user and server info will be part of it because that's a lot of API stuff. So now it's a 12 episodes. It's almost similar to naming scheme is almost similar to JS. Really interesting. I suppose JS does stuff in snowflakes as well, though. Using server info. I think that might be it for now. I guess we'll see. Yes, I do want to save. We'll see if we come across everything. God, these colours are weird. Oh, I do like the italics on this. I actually quite like this theme, you know. I think it's... Some of it is a little dulled out, but I do like it overall. I like the use of italics. Get used to this. So what do we want to do? We wanted to do a cog reloader, didn't we? Lightbulb dots. Oh, we're gonna have to want to do one on checks most probably. Come on, check before I go into all this like moderation malarkey. Lightbulb.owner only at lightbulb.command name equals reload, and then You lot are going to have to help me with this, because I've never done a reload command before, so I don't actually know what would really happen. And then you'd have probably a plugin. And then, what would that even be? Would that be a string? To the stop function. Okay, I will just make that not error, and then where's the stop line? There it is. What's it at the top? I see. So would you pass it in as a string? And that's got to be awaited, isn't it? I need to go to the top and import asyncio. Oops. No, didn't do anything. The hack failed. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird how it should be working and isn't. That is kind of strange. So I guess I'll comment this out for now. And then what I'll do is I'll overload the close. Def close self none, and have that in here, and then just super close. Oh, see, that should be async, shouldn't it? Awaits super dot close. Okay. Oh. Client session has been closed. No HTTP request can occur. But it still sent it. How did it close before it got hit? What? Line 50 on yeah. It sent it and then that's weird. Yeah, that is some weird thing. So did I welcome you, Reckner Fuchsia, to the stream? Oh, it's an S. I didn't see that. I don't even remember if I welcomed you, Reckner. Sorry if I didn't. Yeah, I don't know what is going on there. So sorry about that. Welcome to the stream, Reckner. Hope you're doing okay. So I guess remove this, uncomment this, and then just I'll put in a bit of a comment saying this is going to be fixed or something. I don't know. I'll just have to leave it at that for now. So the code is there, so that should work. Are you using UV loop? Yeah, I am. If I go to my wherever it is, it's one of these. It's definitely at this launcher. There we go. The UV loop is here. So if OS name, then it imports the UV loop. Try disabling it. Okay. Oh, that's not what I want to do. That's definitely not what I want to do at all. There we go. None type has object has no attribute get channel. The bot cache broke. This didn't work. Welcome crazy to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. What is going on? I feel like this shouldn't be happening. Now, let me try that again. Let me just see if it was a weird caching. Oh, it was just a one-off. How weird. So this isn't guaranteed to be cached in time. Okay, I'm going to put a comment there as well. Not guaranteed to be cached in time. I'm not sure if that's like another fault or if that's something that I would have to do Welcome Tavy to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I hope you haven't just... Oh, sorry. I hope you've just joined and I didn't miss you as well. So I feel really bad. Discord sending stuff later. Right. That's annoying. For a single... Okay. I think Hikari just starts too quickly. I think Discord.py waits around for a little while. But Hikari just goes, no. I'm ready. Too bad. Okay, that's good. .rest.fetch channel. Yeah, I suppose so. Well, it'll be the guild, so I guess self.rest.fetch guild. And then that, hopefully the guild object should be created enough for that to work. So we'll just go see if that operates. Coroutine object has no attribute get. Oh, because I never awaited it. Rest guild has no attribute get channel. Oh, and then it. Oh, what the. That's no use if it's a rest. I guess it would have to be. A rest guild object just seems different. Like too different. Let me have a look. No need to get the guild. That's true actually. So self.rest.fetch channel. And then we'll see if that works, I guess. Can't set a non value to a just started coroutine. I didn't await it. Okay, there we go. That actually slowed down the process quite a bit, but I guess that fixes the caching issue. Because by the time you do anything else or run any commands, everything should be cached in time. It's just that one thing that it just doesn't do it in time, I suppose. And then hopefully, well, I guess this works the same as the standard channel then. That works. Why doesn't it send it? Yeah, that is kind of strange. I'll leave that comment there saying that's going to be fixed. So can this bloody group chat shut up? I don't care about whatever you're talking about. It's annoying me. Mute for 8 hours. I'm only going to be live for 2, but stuff it. I'm nice to my friends. Okay, so back to the admin, back to the reload command. So the plugin is going to be a string. We think. Actually, it should really be plugins, shouldn't it? Right, does lightbulb have the same greedy thing? It does not. Okay, so how in the world do we pause multiple things through at once? This is the high contrast option, look. High contrast. And there's Monakai. It's not awful Monakais, but look at that. Ugh. Oh, it's disgusting. I'm going to make a series on it eventually. Material theme ocean. I think this is one I download as well. I kind of like this. I might have to like look around at stuff. There's Kimball. Because I don't know where these... Oh, these are all from the one I just installed, I think. Interesting. Yeah, it probably... My best guess for when it's starting at the moment is January 2022. Because I don't know when the stable is going to be out. And no one knows when the stable is going to be out. And also I've got other series to do in the meantime. So... Short and compact YouTube videos. Yeah, well, I'm going to try and make... Like, the case studies... There's no hope in making them shorter because it's just this huge thing. But the actual API videos, I want to make around 10 minutes each because I think that's a good amount for people. So plugins. Well, actually, can this just take like Actually, can this... No, because plugins... How do you get like a list of things? Does that work like that? Let's see if I can find it in Lightbulb. So I don't even know if Lightbulb will have it documented yet. Or implemented, sorry. Oh yeah, that's probably Thank you for the follow, Sakindev quadruple 1, or 1111, or 1111, however you want that pronounced. Quadruple 1. Yeah, thank you for the follow. Do appreciate it. You redeemed something, you don't know what it means. What did you redeem? Oh, the give pet. That is... I'm probably going to remove that, because it's now kind of a bit confusing for people. That just gives everyone in the chat a pet. That just gives like a pet to everyone. I could like pet the camera. There you go. Is that obnoxious? Where am I even looking? Where's the documentation? There we go. I hate it when people don't put these links down the side. Like, the side is here for a reason. Put it here. Don't make me scroll all the way down here. It's so annoying. It's one of my biggest pet peeves when people don't put it down the side. It's not hard. Bottoms up. Right, okay. Oh, Dav, you contribute to Lightbulb as well. Interesting. And Yoda. GG. API reference. Converters. Okay, so the converter system works the same. Rapdog, user converter, member converter, text channel converter, guilds. Oh god. Is there not like a list of it? Oh, Raptor maybe. It's an invocation context there. For the data attribute. Sequence, the argument text. Is that how it was? I don't know. I guess we'll try. We'll try some stuff. So print plugins. We'll try with just standard list, because if it works with a standard list, then that would be pretty epic there. Tests. Hello. Oh, goodness. Right. Yeah, that hasn't worked. So. This reload test hello. That does a test hello. I suppose we should really print the type as well. And Visual Studio Code is frozen up. There we go. We're back. Every now and then it just kind of happens. Type plugins. No. Okay. Reload test hello. Class, just a string, yeah. But it does take this all in one go. Actually, Greedy can't take strings anyway, can it? But yeah, but then ideally you would have a way to get multiple members all in one go. That's the thing. Unless list just works. Does list just work? Maybe. Hikari dot member. Well, it's all well and good looking at my tutorial for a different library. It's not going to work the same. So if I put in myself, okay, we're putting in Cider as well. Sorry about that. Why can't I not? Oh, because I'm Parafoxy here, aren't I? Yeah, that didn't help. Yeah, that didn't work. That didn't work. I wonder if this. Okay, this light bulb dot wrapped arg. I have no idea how this works, but we're gonna see if this works the same. Well, I'm just trying to like. I'm just trying to get the syntax down while I have a command. Okay, cool. I'm glad I can just abuse that. I've I forgot about the error message. I have errored and I cannot get up. God, I love that so much. Require missing one required positional argument of context. Oh, I don't know what then. How does this work? Does this work? Is it even possible? If you use future import annotations, you will not be able to use converters in your commands. Oh, that's... God's sake. Oh, this is what you get when you use an unfinished library, unfortunately. No, it has the same cooldown system. Message with guild converter, role converter, category converter, sentence converter, member converter. To a member object. Do wonder, does it just Oh no, the standard out, it's still not sending the shutdown message. Like you'd be seeing streams. Actually, wait, hang on. Oh, it does work. No, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong channel. Yeah, I think it does. Let me double check that because I haven't been paying it. I haven't been looking. Seemingly does. Okay, didn't that time. I think it's the command, you know. Oh, now it's just not. There we go. Oh, it's if you do it with a command. So I think the UV loop has nothing to do. Wait, let me try and take the UV loop out of it because I think the UV loop is actually fine. This does actually speed it up quite a bit on startup as well, which is kind of funny. Yeah. So if I show the command for shutdown, there you go. It just calls the close directly. So, you know, we'll come back to this when we can. For now, we're just going to do that. So, So would it just be like bot.remove plugin? Oh, no, bot.unload. No. What the hell? How would he do this? So I'm presuming... Oh, shit, it would be self.unload extension, wouldn't it? Unload extension. No, it'd be self.bot.unload extension. Sorry, it'd be ctx.bot.unload extension. Or unless there's a reload in there as well. Oh, there's a reload extension. Oh, okay, never mind then. And then... Okay, so 4p in plugins. P. We'll be logging .info. Yeah, be this login.info. We need to import logging. Oops. There you go. And then P. Oh no, it'd be extensions, not plugins. Anyway, for E in for ext, we'll keep it consistent. Ext and extensions, self.reload extension, ext, and then ext extension reloaded. There we go. We're probably going to have a load and unload as well, aren't we? Well, actually, let's just make sure that works first. And doesn't, like, die. false equals false. Okay, 1 second. Right, I'll try this and then I'll use the shutdown command to shut it all down. So reload admin. That'd be that, wouldn't it? I have errored and I cannot get up. Fantastic. Key error A. Why is it Y? Oh, yeah. Because they've got to do it. That'll be why. And then shut down. Yeah, that worked. So it was that force argument. And it shut down just as quickly. So I wonder if it's worth changing that to false normally, or if there's something in the false equals true that's like better off but also breaks stuff. So I'm gonna have some more crisps because I'm hungry. I had some crisps, but I didn't finish them before the stream, so that could be very loud. Do apologise. Oh god, yeah, the bank was had a lot in it. Force equals true breaks it. Interesting, interesting. Why? Well, it should be fine. What am I doing wrong? What does it actually take? It takes a string. Okay. Enable the extension to be reloaded, which in our case is admin. Also, I've got to go into the error handler real quick and do if is instance event.exception lightbulb.errors.command invocation error. Then arrays event.exception.original. There you go. Just needed to do that. Why doesn't that work? Yeah, okay. Here, admin. John, what am I doing wrong? You've done this before. Actually, let me have a look at your repo. .com/John. There we go. It redirects, that's so weird. Oh. That makes a lot of sense. So it'd be Hikari testing .bot.extensions then, presumably. Nope. Unless I've done something wrong, I don't know. Hikari testing bot extension, yeah. Wait. Oh, we got to show Fox. I'll do that in a second. Nice. God damn it. I don't know. Yeah, just print reload. It does make debugging a lot quicker, yeah. Alright, give me 1 second while I show off a Fox. Nope. I have this cushion. That is a fox. Let's see how. There we go. There we go. There we go. Eyes, fox eyes. It's a cushion that I have on my chair, and it's got a fox on it. My nan bought it for me. She bought two. The other one's back at my non-uni home. But this one is up here, which is nice because it's actually pretty nice. Is it actually? Yeah, I'm 6'1". I mean, to be fair, I do call Firefox Furfax, so what can you do? It's just the way I operate, I suppose. I don't even know why. I think it might have been something from JonTron. I don't know. I think it might have been JonTron calling Star Fox Adventures Starefax Temperatures. That inspired me. But I don't know. Why is this working right? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print self.extensions. And we're going to see what it's actually looking for. Well, that didn't work. Why didn't you print it? Yeah, it actually didn't print it. What the hell? Is it like something I've got to put in like the debug? I guess I've just got to throw it into the logger and it'll work. Or not. That's another option as well. Oh, admin has no attribute. Oh, it's self-debot. The doy. That's why it's not working. Not reading the error. It's also ctx.bot. Because I'm not doing that self.bot stuff. Okay. Oh, it's lowercase. It wants it in lowercase. Well, fine then. I thought it would have done it by name, but no, it actually just does it by the path. How have I done it here? Have I done it the same? Oh, it's because it's loading from the files. Yeah, I suppose that makes sense, you know. It's another thing from discord.py I'm going to have to unlearn. Although maybe discord.py reload works the same. We never did a reload in that, so. Oh my god. Well, so you can tell this library is European by the fact that the dot here is a comma. They only do that in Europe. And if it's not a European library, then why are you doing it like that? Because they only do that in Europe. Okay, cool. That worked. It's on Python. Really? How is Python doing it? Hang on. I refuse to believe that. Oh god, where would it even be? Is there a separate one for logging? Oh, there isn't. Oh no. Oh dear, where is it? Oh my god. Jesus! Look at all this! That's nuts! Okay, so it's not in there. It's also not in there. Oh, it might be in the CLI. Now I've got to find out. Internal UX, thank you. Internal UX. Is that the... There you go, okay. Oh, the basic config, there we go. So it'd be the level name -1.1s. Is that where it is? So we've got like the I. Oh, so if supports color. Oh yeah, we're using the color, so it'd be log color bold. Then the level name, so I guess that's just the I. Then thin, yeah, okay. Then the ASCII time. Yeah, so it's this. 23.23s. Why does that even change? Bold name. Yeah, okay, so this just all in here. That's strange. What country are you in, Dove? Because, no, it shouldn't matter, because it should localize it. It shouldn't matter what country it was developed in. Bottoms up, by the way. Thank you, person, for the hydrate. Thank you, person. That's what I'm gonna have to look into that. I'll make that my first contribution to Hikari if I can fix that. That will be what I'm famous for Hikari, replacing the comma with a dot. There you go. That's what I want to be known for. Yeah, I'll have a look. I'll have a look at that. I'll put that to the side for now, and have a look at it later. So I want to do await ctx.respond done, pretty much. Actually, no. We'll do. Actually, what if I haven't actually done anything like reload test? We don't have a test clock, so what does it do? It errors. It does a key error. Okay. So count. We're just gonna have to have a separate count equals 0. Then try accept key error pass, and then we'll just do count plus equals 1, and then we'll have a count extensions reloaded. One extension is reloaded. Okay, and we're gonna have to do like this. You could say like reloads admin error. So this will be 2. There we go. Could I say like an optional? So from future import. Why does it keep wanting me to do that? Annotations. Extension equals string or none. Actually, you know what? We'll do that first. So extensions equals extensions or self ctx.bot.extensions, and in theory that should then load all of them if you don't pass anything in. There are some missing. It's not required because it's none. Does the start break? Does it have to use typing for that? So if I do that instead, t.optional string. Oh, import typing is t. And get rid of this. Reload. There are some missing arguments. Okay, that's weird. Why is it doing that? Does it have to have like a standard thing? Reload. List objects and attributes. But okay, there we go. What the hell? Okay, that's kind of weird. I don't know if that was a problem in Discord.py either, but that's weird. None equals none, I suppose. and we don't have future. Get out of here. From future import annotations. And now will that work? No. Non-type has no attribute split. Okay, fine. If extension, if not extensions, then extensions equals ctx.auto extension. There we go. Fine. You're gonna have to have it like that. This is how it's gonna have to be. Why? Can you not? Oh yeah, because it needs to split it up anyway, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what I... Wait, how did I have it before? Did I have it backwards? Oh, I had it with the or. Right, yes. It's going to have to be slightly more awkward. That'll do. Zero extensions reload. Why? Oh, now my pie's giving me shit. You know what? Fine. Have it your way. If not extensions, then extensions equals ctx.bot extensions, and we're gonna have to have an else because otherwise my pie is gonna throw a fit. Extensions equals extensions dot split in a space, and now that should work fine. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very angry. It doesn't work. Why? Because it doesn't just... What? Oh, I spelled extensions wrong. That'll probably cause some problems. Pot has no attribute. No, I did spell. I spelled extensions wrong here. Right. Okay. I just can't spell. I'm bad. Ignore me. And now I've met. Why are you complaining now? Oh my god. Variable has... Like, are you... Is my pie being serious right now? Incompatible types and assignment. Expression... Oh, because it's going to confuse it. I'm reassigning it. Well, I don't care. My pie can go suck it for all I care. It still doesn't work. I'm just slowly losing my mind over what is really a very simple command. See you later, crazy. Oh my god, why is this not working? I just want it to work. It shouldn't be this hard. I'm fine. My pie is just annoying me. And apparently ctx.bot.extensions just isn't working. And I don't know why. You know what? Just set this to be a string and then just set this to be by default an empty string. Because it wants to be a string. It's still having a go. It wants me to reassign it, which is really annoying. What is like... So I don't know why... Yeah, so it gets the extensions and it just doesn't bother loading them. I'm guessing it, like, the pilot is 1,000 million times worse. Extension, I guess this is what the error is for. Extension ext could not be reloaded. This is why you have logging. Does it just not care? Okay, yeah, it just literally doesn't care. Oh, right. Yes. I see what's going on now. So essentially it's trying to do Hikari testing.bot.extensions.Hikari testing.bot.extensions.admin. Oh my god. This is why I never bother reloading cogs and stuff in the past, because it just sucks. It's just awful. Then you end up with this. Okay. There. There we go. That took way too much time to figure out. Also, that should really be like that, shouldn't it? Or have some sort of like quote around it. I feel like it should anyway. And then like, oh God, there we go. Okay. Right. We have an extension loading command now. My Pi is going to complain at me, but as much as I don't care. Well, that was awful. Now to do the same for loading and unloading. Load. And then load. And then I'm pretty sure it'd just be the same again. Really, it might be, you know, easier to have just like a function that does all this rather than like... I don't know. There's undoubtedly a better way of doing this. We'll see. It'd be unload. And in theory, that'll unload everything. Oh, did I not set the commands? No, I didn't. Weird how my Pi or even Pylance didn't pick up on that. That was weird. So now if we do ping, it'll just break the theory. Never mind. Oh, because it's doing a reload here, I see. Unloads, and it'll be the meta. And if we do a ping, it won't work. And then if we do a load meta, and then a ping, there we go. Cool. Ow. So I'm thinking I can probably change this around a bit to make it like not rubbish. Def handle extensions self and then extensions. That's going to be a list of strings by the time it gets to this function. And then we're going to have, you know, all of this. Oh, we're going to need like an action as well, aren't we? Oh, we're also going to need the CTX. We won't bother with the CTX, I don't think. So if our action here. Okay. Get Atra. CTX.bot. Action. Extension. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, we do actually need the CTX passed in. Lightbulb.context. And then here you have a actioned. And an actioned. This totally is 100% good code, yes. 100%. Not even anything of it. To be await self dot handle extensions, passing the context, passing extensions, and then we load them. Then here we unload them, and here we reload them, and that should work. In theory. Oh wait, because we've got to split it, haven't we? Oh hang on, I'm going to need one of them back, because we're going to need that bit at least, and then out of this bit we have you, and then reload. But that's just more, you know, just, is that already in it? That's already in there. So it's not going to be, it's still going to be a string when it gets passed in. So yeah, you can just go back to being whatever. So I just realised these commands are like the wrong way around. How in the world did that happen? This one needs to be reload, and then how did this happen? Unload, reload. There we go. Cool. Now if we run that, we'll have the ping done, and then we can unload meta. Ping no longer there. Load meta. Ping there. Reload meta. Ping there. What happens if I load them all when they're already loaded? Oh, extension. Okay. So lightbulb.errors.extension already loaded. Logging dot error is already loaded. The same for this. We're just gonna do it here because we don't want to handle this in the error handler. So does this go red? I just realised, does this thing go red if something doesn't exist? For God's sake. I think it does, you know. Oh, extension not loaded, yeah. It does, it goes red if it doesn't exist. That's nuts. It's kind of crazy actually. Is not currently loaded. Okay, so that shouldn't go through the error handler. It should at least go through this. There we go. Yeah, it's already loaded. And then unload. Command not found. Unload. Are you kidding me? Well, now the command handler just isn't doing it at all. Wait, what? Why is the command not found? Why is it... What? Did I accidentally deactivate the commands thingy? What? Okay, something is going really wrong there. I'm just gonna have to do it in the error handler, I think. And then handle the logging there. So if extension, if instance extension not loaded, then logging return logging dot error extension already loaded. I suppose. Actually, I suppose it doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't really need to log it, I don't think. So I guess we can just have like a lightbulb.errors.extension already loaded. And what we can do is we can just pass that into the first one and say, well, if it's any of these, then just ignore it. Like that. There you go. Now, if something is already loaded, it doesn't matter. Hey! Why? Is it not even listening to this anymore? Why is it not finding it? If I missed a bracket somewhere? Okay. Anyone see what's wrong? Because I sure as hell can't. Why is it suddenly broken on me? Is it just not like this? Do all the commands have to be at the start? But no, it loaded it there. Yeah, there's just a big old hug there. There's nothing to redeem there. But it loaded it there, and then it's saying the command isn't found. And then it doesn't... Oh my god. What is going on? This should be how it loads. This should be how the syntax works. But apparently not. Oh, you know what it is? The error handler's unloaded. That's what it is. It's the error handler itself is unloaded. So it's not checking for any errors. That might be something we want to make sure doesn't happen. Like maybe not unload the error handler. If at all possible. I don't even know how I do that. Whatever, it's fine. Hang on, I'm gonna make sure that it like works okay. Unload admin and the meta. Unload. No, what I've done there is okay, whatever. We'll try. Okay, so if I just realised if you unload the admin, there's physically no way of getting any of the unloaded cogs back. That's another problem. I guess you're just gonna have to be careful which ones you unload. So there's meta and then what is it? There's fun. Unload meta is not currently loaded, yeah. And then loads admin is already loaded. Then unload tests is not currently loaded. Wait, what? Wait, it suddenly doesn't key error anymore. It does this instead. Alright. Fine. That's how we're doing this. That's how we're doing it. Is it gonna... There we go. That was weird. Okay, I'm gonna go to the toilet real quick, and then... Oh, I've only got half an hour left in the stream. You know what? Hold on. I don't really want to go for 2 hours. So we spent most of the bloody stream doing this. Oh god. Let's not destroy it, shall we? Okay, can we actually like not destroy it? There we go. We don't need Hikari loaded for this. Look at this. This is Pepe imports. Look how weird that is. Okay, so we did a thing. Holy mother of god, that took far too long. You're not using either of these imports anymore, so we can get rid of those. Yeah, I'm actually going to import errors here as well, honestly. It's just ridiculous. Otherwise, and then yeah. So and then we did this and then we did that and then whatever. We have our standard out channel ID. That's fine. We should probably actually put that really in the init. I think in here. I don't know why I did a import sort there. So that apparently should go in front of that, so that's what I'm going to do. That just looks weird, I don't like that. Okay, so now that should load in like that. We don't need the version here anymore. Why is that still there? Okay, and then do we not use... We do use it. Or is it just being annoying? It's just being annoying. Okay, that's fine. So, wasn't there something... Oh, I was going to put something... Oh, I think I was going to put some of the bug ones, but we'll look at those later. What can we actually do for the next half an hour? I kind of want to do something like somewhat worthwhile. What's in the meta? We could try and do some of like user info and whatever. Sure, we'll start with that, I think. So where is our user info? Oh, we could do it about. We could do it about. No, we'll do user info. That's kind of more. Oh, this doesn't have user info. It's bloody Solaris, isn't it? Gosh darn it. Source. Oh. There isn't an F string in that error message. Whoops. That's a bit of a mess. cogs, meta. This is the one that has the user info. Wowzers. Whatever that is. There it is. Okay, so Jesus. Right. Okay, so the meta. Lightbulb. Oops. Lightbulb.com. Okay, what the hell was that? Lightbulb.com name equals user info. Aliases equals info. Oh no, UI. What aliases do I have on this one? Oh, it is just UI. Okay, that's fine. And then we want context, and then we want our target, which is either going to be, and then I know it said it didn't work, but I'm going to verify that. Hikari.member or Hikari.user. And we're going to import Hikari like that, and then that's going to return none. And then we're going to print target, and we're going to print the formal representation of it as well. I'm going to see what comes out. It returns a string. Okay, so I'm guessing this hasn't worked. I'm guessing it's just not. Oh no, it did it differently anyway. That's weird. Is the repo like super weird? Hang on. Print type target. We come back in here. We do Hikari.user. UI parafoxia class of string. Okay, so no, it doesn't. That's really irritating. UI parafoxia. It's also a string. Okay. Does it not work with the type hints? It says it does, right? Hang on. Lightbulb will attempt to convert command arguments using type of functions specified. By type hint of each argument, by default, any types can be converted to from a string are supported int or float. Oh. Further utility functions can be specified as type hints in order to convert arguments into more complex types. Remember all channel objects. Also, your own converters. A converter can be callable to take a single argument, which would be an instance of the wrapped arg class. Command invocation context can be accessed through this instance and the attributes data and context respectively. I see. Oh, so you can do it just from here. Lightbulb.user converter. Okay. .member converter and then or lightbulb.user converter. That's a weird syntax, but whatever, it's fine. Oh, there we go. Yeah, well, I've read it and I want to see. Okay, so it still doesn't do it, but does it at least do it on a single one? I wanted to see if it had been updated and just the documentation hadn't. No, it just doesn't convert it at all. It just refuses to convert it just outright. Unless it's like, is it just if it's imported at all. If it's imported at all, that's super annoying. It's if it's imported at all. Right. Did it say specifically if it was imported at all? If you use, it's not really clear. Whatever. It's fine. That's just something I'm gonna have to work on, I think. So so can this take Hikari.member is the big question now. Hikari.member. UI parafoxia. I'm gonna take that as a no. Yeah, I'm taking that as a hard no there. Alright. No, apparently not. It's kind of at this point in time where I want to try the Tenjin one. I'll have a look at Tenjin, see if that does anything differently. Card Tenjin, there we go. Documentation. Okay, so come on, I presume this has decorators and stuff. Traits, and then this command group. Is there any functions as commands? I kind of hope it has decorators in it. Oh, it looks like it does. I think. With greedy argument. It's not a valid help command. What the hell? I don't think that's what we want. They're a decorator. Okay. Right, okay. Oh, everything is decorated. Total secret ints. Okay, we'll try Tangent for a bit. So pip install, is it Hikari Tangent? Oh, this one's actually at version 1. Oh my word, that downloaded a lot of stuff. That also downloaded Hikari. Oh, which version of Hikari are we using then? Dev 100 now. Did we go back a version? I have no idea if we went back a version or not. I guess we can find out. Import Hikari. Hikari.version. What? Yeah, I think we did go back a version just then. Great. Awesome. I'll put Hikari tangent greater or equal to 1.0.0. That should pip install -u-r requirements at 16. Hopefully that will just use the newest one. Okay, yeah, that did settle. Requires but you'll have Dev 101, which is incompatible. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, we'll try. I suppose. Is it possible to use like different command handlers for different plugins? Import tangent. This is kind of going to be interesting. It's a tangent. I'm pretty sure this is as commanded, isn't it? No, that's not what it. And then we want to do tangent dot context. That seems to be fine with that. Python launcher. Ping. It was not happy with that. Oh, because it wanted tangent dot presumably plugin. I really hope it's called the same thing. Oh no, tangent is not. Oh, it's not. What's it called in tangent? Is it a component? It looks like it's called a component. Which means this is going to be... Oh, it's not going to be compatible, is it? Oh no, never mind. Got some positional audio arguments as keyword arguments, name. Really? It actually seemed like it was compatible. Meta object is no attribute name. Okay, so it's a case of converting the whole damn thing. We'll do that next stream then. I'm not faffing around with it now. We've got like 15 minutes. Okay, so can this at least take a T dot optional? Import typing as T. T dot optional. So why is it so hot in here? God. Oh no, not an optional union. And then lightbulb dot user converter. And then it would be a none as well. Is it going to have a fit if I do this? It's not. Also, I'm pretty sure this user converter isn't going to work as it does in the Carberra one, because I'm pretty sure... Yeah, okay, Solaris is actually a custom one. Yeah. So we'll just leave that for now. I'm not going to bother doing any of that crap. So lightbulb dot... It is going to have to be a T dot optional though. Member converter. And then target equals target or ctx dot member, not author. And then it should, even if I do UI, it should. There are some missing. Oh, God's sake. Okay, so lightbulb doesn't see optionals properly. By lots of things. It like has to have a thing on the end of it. That's going to be something to make an issue on, I think. What if Tension does? Well, it doesn't, because it hasn't worked the whole stream. If I do this, it says it's required. A T dot optional, you shouldn't really have to make a default. I'm pretty sure in discord.py this works as fine. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, in discord.py you don't have to set a default. What if I just do this? Yeah, my pie I'm going to be happy with it. My pie's fine, actually, with it, believe it or not. Yeah. Well, Discord pie is dumb to ignore that there isn't a default, or light bulb is dumb to ignore the optional thing. I didn't dumb it, I asked a question. I asked if you meant that Discord.py was dumb or Lightbulb was dumb. D.py, I see. Well, I mean, once Lightbulb, I don't know if Tengen already does, but once Lightbulb is compatible with the new type pen annotations, it won't be an issue. I'm pretty sure. We'll have to see. So, oh, this is going to be the first embed. Okay. Embeds work the same, I think. So, embed equals Hikari.embed. Okay. Cool. I think. I don't think it's happy with that. Hikari. Oh, I haven't imported Hikari. That's probably why. Import Hikari. So you happy with it now? Yeah, you are happy with it now. So the title. Okay, so everything it wants is keywords. That's fine. They've got a nice implementation. What for the... I'm not sure what you mean. So the title have like user information. The embeds. I think it's largely the same as Discord.py. At least from what I've seen in John's code, it's basically the same thing. Or the way it's done is pretty much the same. In terms of the front end, anyway. Solaris uses a custom one. I forgot about that. Where is the UI command, by the way? Okay. You can chain calls. What do you mean, like dot adds or whatever? Because I do that in a for loop. I do the fields anyway. Which you can't do in Discord. Well, so you can do like add, say, or it'd be set footer. Yeah, set author to whatever, and then you can do set footer like that. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, it's just going to be like the same sort of thing, isn't it? So it'd be set author name equals information. I see. And photos like, yeah, requested by whatever. Text equals requested by and then it would be what would it be? It would be ctx.member.display name. That's what I want. If you go, I'm interested to see how Black handles that. Oh, it's not installed apparently. It's weird. Oh, God's sake, guy. Oh, it does it in here. I see. Right. So I don't know if doing like the add field or whatever is even going to be better in there, because like some stuff like the add image is good, and the set author and the set footer and whatever is going to be good. I don't know if the fields really is going to be better off. I suppose so. I guess it just makes it. We'll try it. Let's see. User. We'll just have this as user information for now. AKA, and then we'll have a ctx.member. Oh, it'll be target. What am I doing? Target dot display name. Actually, no, because it's not. Yeah, no. We'll just do it here. We'll do this. There we go. Displaying information for target dot display name. There we go. Or maybe target dot mention. Screw it. Why not? We'll get fancy with it, and then we'll have the color equals target dot color. Is it? Oh no, that's just not a thing at all. What the hell? Does that not exist? What can I actually take? Title, description, URL, color. Oh, let me get. Oh, there is an alias. Oh, I was gonna have a go at you then, but there is an alias in there. Oh my god, the color can take so much stuff, and a timestamp, which is dt.datetime.utc net UTC. There we go. Import datetime as dt, and then you have that in there, and pray this works. I don't know, test, and then value equals test, and then inline equals true, and we'll see, I guess, how well that works. UI. Member has no attribute color. It's not that, is it? It doesn't look as though it's going to be either way. Yeah, again, member has no attribute color. How do you get the color? Member dot. Oh, it's from the role. I see. Top role dot color. That alias better exist. Whoa. Datetime.utc now will not work correctly with this implementation. Okay, Hikari warning you forgot to set a time zone timestamp internally, since Discord expects all timestamps to be provided UTC. This means that phone set time zone may result in bugs where the time appears to be incorrectly altered by several hours. To avoid this, you should tell the date time to use the system time zone explicitly, or specify the time zone when creating your datetime object. Hikari will detect this and perform the correct conversion for you. Okay. A weird one. Dot as time zone. I guess we'll do. Turns out you did not work correctly in this implementation. Relying on. Oh, it just happened twice, I think. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, so it built. I literally just realised I forgot to send it. First time you see someone saying it. I use UTC now for basically everything. That's probably why. Also, that needs to, oh no, it's function. It's change function calls. So I actually need to send it, don't I? That'll probably help. Oh wait, ctx.respond. Embed equals embeds. I'm gonna presume works. Python doesn't set it correctly. That's super weird. It does. It's not. I wonder why Discord.py doesn't need it. Or maybe it just accepts the brokenness. I need to send the embeds. Oh really? Also, yeah, you can use chain stuff. That's kind of cool. I love everyone trying to get user information about themselves. Okay, sure. So I'm guessing, hang on, so in the response, if I just get rid of that entirely and bring up the arg, oh, it takes just args and quargs. So I'm presuming that gets resolved. I'm guessing it detects if it's an embed object and then just sends it if so. Now, how does it do it? Hikari manages that. Yeah, but I mean, like, if you put a string, what I'm saying is that how does this detect if it's a string or an embed? It must use like an is instance somewhere. Theoretically. If it's doing it automatically, then it will check on that side, won't it? That's what I'm meaning. So yeah, this syntax is actually really nice. I'll have to tell John about that because I don't think he knows. Where was his one? Oh, I closed it. God damn it. Okay, it's just there. Where was his embed? He had an embed in there somewhere. He definitely had it somewhere. I'm positive he had it somewhere. Or not, maybe he got rid of it. Oh, because he has an embeds util. That's the one. I'm gonna have to tell. He probably borrowed that from Solaris, but I'm gonna tell him he probably doesn't need it. Yeah. Oh, you can set thumbnail as well. I forgot. Dot set thumbnail, and then it'd be string IO. I think the set thumbnail normally takes like a URL. It's a self, I guess, just ctx.member.avatar URL. I guess would work for that. Check Discord 1 second. Oh yeah, because you use that like, fancy undefined thing, don't you? I'm guessing that undefined thing has some purpose. Welcome, Darken332. You kind of joined right near the end of the stream, unfortunately. There we go. This means don't send it. That's fair enough. Interesting. Oh yeah, it does. It does detect it. Yeah. Whoa, unknown user. Oh, if we don't, I don't think we handle that. Like razors are not found. I see. Hikari errors. Why is that raising a Hikari error? Surely that should raise a light bulb error, right? Goodness. Also, I've done the thumbnail wrong. I've just realised it should be target.avatar URL. And also in the footer, it should be like icon equals ctx.member.avatar URL. There we go. I see, right. That's gonna have to be something I do next stream, I think. There we go. I fixed the thing. So it gives you the. Oh, actually, I probably should put a full stop there. It gives you the. Oh, it's just a converter failure. Oh, that one's a converter failure, is it? So it's either a converter failure or a Hikari not found error that you've got to find, and both of them could be one of either. That's weird. That is kind of strange. It's looking pretty good. I really like the chain calls. Yeah, I'm thinking I might switch to Tangent. Because Tangent, at least as far as I could tell from the docs, it seems a lot more complete. Plus it's in version 1 and Lightbulb's still in 0.0, so I might switch over to Tangent and see what we can do about that. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll have to see. I'll play around with it next stream, I think. And dev, because Hikari is dev, I see. But yeah, it's we'll have to see if Tangent has more stuff in it. Because like the whole greedy thing, so being able to take multiple targets is kind of a bit of a must. That hasn't been implemented yet. I don't know if it's been implemented in Tangent, but it would be interesting to try both anyway and see which one works out better. Yeah, that would involve kind of switching the entire bot. But this, I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. This whole chained invocations thing, I like that a lot. Because in Discord.py, however you do it, it's going to be messy. With this, at least there's like some way to just kind of streamline it. That's fair. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. CNAS, because I think isn't Snap like one of the Hikari devs as well? I suppose you're one of the Hikari devs working on Lightbulb, but yeah, I'm probably gonna end the stream here, as I see. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Other maintainer. Yeah. I'll give that a shot next stream. This was only going to be 2 hours and we've already overrun a little bit. So thank you for everyone for stopping by and everyone for joining the thing as well. It's starting to become quite a populated little server. And I'm going to make dinner because I am actually really quite hungry. And I will see you on Saturday where we do some game dev stuff. So we're going to be taking a break from Hikari for a little bit and doing some game dev, trying to get that done ready for the series, because we really do. If we don't get that done next time, then every stream is just going to have to be game dev until that's like ready to go, because that kind of needs to be sped up a bit. Then there'll be, the Django stuff. We'll probably stop by. I think we'll probably stop by this next when Dev 101 comes out. Probably, or like in a month, whichever is sooner, I think. So Dav, just let me know when like a decent stable, a decent version to try has been released or whatever, and I'll do a stream on it. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, I will see you all later. Bye. I'm not gonna bother doing a raid, so.